Nick is a champion for youth work, particularly within the criminal justice system, because he's passionate about it. He doesn't see young people as individuals who committed crimes. He sees young people who need some help.
He's very caring. He's very quick to offer support to people, gets straight to the point, gets things done. He's a doer, and his pace is just beyond me. I've never seen anybody like him.
His only passion is not about anything else. It's about the young people and getting them to be who they want to be. You could have done something wrong, something right. He's there in your corner, backing you all the way. And it's just so important for a young person to have.
It is obviously humbling to be nominated for the award, but the cliche is, I stand on the shoulders of giants. It's not about me, it's about Mac and the work that the staff do, because it really makes a difference to the lives of young people, whether that is listening to them, whether that is making safe spaces for them, or whether that's ensuring that they don't get a criminal record. Every element of the work that we do is really important to young people in Wales.